Welcome to Frano British Academy. In today's video, we want to solve on inverse proportion. Now the question is, y is inversely proportional to x and y is 4 when x is 1 over 2. Find x when y is 10. So what do you need to do? Very easy. Now, when they say that a number is inversely proportional, just write that number, which is y, is equals to a constant number it will be applied, which is k over x. Let me explain again. That y is inversely proportional to x. So y is supposed to be, if it's direct proportion, we have y equals x, but it's inverse. So we put a constant at the top over x. So, and that's just a rule. So the next thing to find out is to find out what y is and what x is. And then we substitute. Okay? So therefore, we have y is what? Y is 4. So 4 equals 4 equals k, okay, over x is what? X is 1 over 2. So this can be over 1 to balance the equation. So we just cross multiply both sides. So k times 1 will give us k equals 4 times half. That is 4 times 1 over 2. Therefore, our k is this over 1. So 2 divided each side is 2, and 2 divided 2 is 4 is 2. So k equals 2. All right? So the k, this k here in this equation is 2. Now, we go back to the main question again and see, they say, after finding the solution for the k, which is the constant, we need to substitute y as 10 so that we'll be able to solve for x. They say find x. Okay, so the first equation is y equals k over x. Now in this second question, okay, so y is 10. So we have 10 equals k now is 2. Remember, k is 2. So we have 2 over x. So when we do this over 1 and we cross multiply, we have that 10x, okay? 10 times x is 10x over 1 equals 2 over 1. So what do we do? We just simply have, therefore, 10x equals 2. So at this point, we simply divide both sides by 2. We simply divide both sides by 10, okay? Because 10 is the coefficient of x. So 10 here and 10 here. 10 cancel 10, x will remain. And so x equals 1, 2 in 2 is 1, and 2 in 10 is 5. So the solution is 1 over 5. So x equals 1 over 5. Hope you understood this video. Now let me explain again so that you will fully understand this. Now the question is, y is inversely proportional to x when x is 4, and when y is 4, find x. Okay, x is 1 over 2. Sorry, let me take it again. Y is inversely proportional to x, and y is 4 when x is 1 over 2. Find x when y is 10. Now the rule is that you simply introduce a constant number, which is k. When you introduce a constant number, which is k, we just have y equals k over x. So the value for x is 1 over 2. The value for y is 4. So that is what we have. 4 equals k over 1 over 2. Because this is for x, y is for y. So we just put over 1 just to balance it, and then we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, k times 1 is k, equals 4 times half. 4 times half is 2. So we have k is 2. Now, having found that k is 2, which is in this solution, in this formula, in this relationship, okay, k is 2. Now, the second limb of the question is find x when y is 10. So y is 10, we put 10 equals 2 because k is 2, and we're looking for x. So we don't need to put this for x again. We've just looked for x without putting the solution, this value. This value was for the first relationship to find what k is, okay? So we turn over, and then we have 10, okay? So we have 10, and this is 10. The y is 10, equals 2 is k, and x is unknown. So when we cross multiply, we have 10 times x is 10x, which is this 10x, and 1 times 2 is 2. So we divide both sides by 10, we have 10 over x, 10x over 10, and 2 over 10. And so when we divide this, cancel this, we have x will remain. And so 1 over 5, because 2 divided 2 is 1 and 2 divided 10 is 5. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please, on the top button, you will see the next video on 5 questions for junior WAEC examination. Please try to watch it, okay? Watch it and enjoy the video as well. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.